5 raised to the power of 2x plus 1 minus 26 raised to minus 26 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of x plus 5 equals 0. Find x. Hi there, this is Daily Mathematics and you are welcome to solving this question we have right here. Solution. What's the first thing we're going to do in this situation? So first of all, we have 5 raised to, okay, let's rewrite the question. 5 raised to the power of 2x plus 1 minus 26 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of x plus 5 equals 0. Now the first thing we're going to do is to separate this. Now we have 5 raised to the power of 2x. Remember, when you have a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n is equals a raised to the power of m plus n. Now when you have a raised to the power of m plus n, you can also split it to make it a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n, and that's exactly what we have here. So we have 5 raised to the power of 2x plus 1. We can split it to becoming 5 raised to the power of 2x multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 1, right? Minus 26 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of x plus 5 equals 0. Right, so the next thing that we'll have here is when we have a raised to the power of mn, right, is equal to a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n is also equal to a raised to the power of n multiplied by m, right? So that's what we're going to put here. So we're now going to turn this to 5 raised to the power of x multiplied by 2, right, raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 1 minus 26 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of x plus 5 equals 0, right? So what are we going to do here? So what you're going to do here is that we have 5 raised to the power of x squared, right? So multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 1 is 5 minus 26 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of x, right, plus 5 equals 0. Now here we have 5 raised to the power of x. So I can now say let 5 raised to the power of x be any letter of our choice, maybe a. And so since 5 raised to the power of x is a, we have a squared, right, a squared multiplied by 5 minus 26 a plus 5 equals 0. So from here we have a squared multiplied by 5. 5 times a squared is giving us 5a squared minus 26a plus 5 equals 0. So from here you can see that we have a quadratic equation. And how do we solve a quadratic equation? We use factorization method here, or your quadratic equation formula. So we want to use factorization method here. Now we look for two factors of 5 that when added will give us, sorry. Now this is a quadratic equation and we solve using the factorization method. Now if you have to factorize your work carefully and well, you have 5 p minus 1 and you have p minus 5 equals 0, right? So now you can have 5p minus 1 equals 0 or p minus 5 equals 0. So from here you have 5p equals 1, then you have p equals 1 over 5, or you have p equals 5, right? And so recall that let 5 raised to the power of x equals a. Let 5 raised to the power of x equals a. 5 raised to the power of x equals a. So sorry, this should be the letter we put. That should be a, right? So a. So recall that let 5 raised to the power of x equal a. Therefore, we have 5 raised to the power of x equals 1 over 5, and 5 raised to the power of x equals 5, right? So from here we have 5 raised to the power of x equals, this 1 over 5 changes to 5 raised to the power of minus 1, and you have x equals minus 1, and here we have 5 raised to the power of x equals 5 raised to the power of 1. Here we have x equals 1. So therefore values of x values of x are -1 and 1. So the values of x are -1 and 1. So that brings us to the end of this question. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to leave your genuine thoughts about this video. Thank you very much.